spaghetti. I don't know. I took out every single dish I have in my house. So I finally got the pots. I forgot to fill the one with water. Water! Yeah! Okay, so now you should have water at least in the one pot because at least have water in the one pot. I don't know if you can see it. In this big pot, this one. Yeah. Lighting matches. Fire. I love the smell of fire so much. So now I need to get the meat. What did I do with the meat back here? It's wet. Why is that wet? Oh, I mean it is meat, but gotta get a plate or a big pan for the water, and I just gotta go like. It cooks faster that way. I've been told. I don't know why, but yeah. Meat in the green bin. Yeah. I think I just let it cook now. Well, I've come to the conclusion to use this red spoon. Okay. So you just like gotta keep like moving it around and like this pretty much. This is salt, right? Yeah, salt! You put salt in your noodle water to make it boil faster. This is English. God, I can't even open it. Oh, there we go. You should have spaghetti noodles. It should look like this. Now that the bowl's open, I'm just gonna have to wait for the water to boil. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the onions because I wanted to put onions into my sauce because I see a lot of people do that, and onions, I don't know. You gotta go cut. I don't want to put too many onions in my food, even though I love onions.
What am I doing here?
Hi. What happened to my tomato sauce? Oh, wait, it's right here. Oh, wait. No! Tomato crisis! That's tomato sauce! Whoop. Still can't think of it. So yeah, you just put it in the bowl and just let it cook now. I need a spoon. Okay, I got a spoon. Kind of just stir it. Get in the noodles. You shall be boiled. Spaghetti. Okay, so the noodles are done, so now I'm just gonna strain them. It's over there. Are you gonna taste it?
No, I just decided to prepare it and then walk away. Sorry, I just haven't put the cheese in yet. Hey, water. Put the noodles in the water, let them cook. The sauce kind of tastes like honey.
What?
I'm not joking. That kind of tastes like honey.
Honey?